Are you having trouble with BlueStacks Error Code 13 and cannot create a new instance? If so, you are in right place, so let's go to Solution. For this, close BlueStacks Instance Manager. Also check any instance of BlueStack running. If running, then exit it as shown here. Now let's go to Program Data folder located in C drive. If you didn't find Program Data folder, then it is hidden. Just go to View and Show and then select Hidden Items. Now we will get Program Data folder. Just go inside it. There find BlueStacks or BlueStacks NXT folder. Just go inside that folder. Right-click the BlueStacks.configuration file and select Properties. In the Properties window, locate the Read Only checkbox and then uncheck it. If it is already unchecked, then check and then again uncheck. Next, click on Apply and OK button. Now go and open BlueStacks Manager and try to create instance. You can see now I am able to create instance as well. In this way we fixed BlueStacks Error 13. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.